Just working on the Nerf guns, putting batteries in them, stuff like that. Because my son's going to have some friends over tomorrow. And you reach a certain point where you realize that they may have an asphyxiation with Nerf guns. Now, let's see. All right, this is okay. You're saying, okay, he's got a few. Well, let's keep walking. More over there. This is when you know that your son might have an asphyxiation. If there's a rhino fire sitting on the floor like it's junk, this is a nice gun. Where's the other side shooter to it? That's a nice gun, the rhino fire. This is a huge box, full, top to bottom, of these guns. Full, top to bottom. That's the see-through type guns. So, more over here. More over there. So do you realize? So if you guys think your kids are into Nerf guns, I might be worse off. Now me, myself, I'm into radios. Ham radios, CB radios. So my asphyxiation is like the radios. I have a lot of radios. So I'm into the radio. So I got the radio room. He's into Nerf guns. We also like sound equipment.